Good morning, my kids. Guess what day it is today? Oh, we better ask Mike. Mike, what day is it? It's hump day. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all being safe and staying well. You've been doing a great job. The next assignment I'm going to give you is an online bridge challenge. It's going to allow you to work on it both Wednesday and Thursday. So you have a couple of days to get this done. Um, Take your time. After this on Friday, I'm going to give you a couple of hands-on challenges to do. Should be fun. Be able to take some pictures of the challenges and send them to me, and then we'll go from there. So you will find attached on the Chromebook class a procedure on how to do the challenge. You should read and do each step. When you complete a step, check it off. Okay? It's much less confusing if you read step 1 and do it. Check it off. Read step 2 and do it. Check it off. Okay? It'll be much less confusing if you take your time and you handle it as a read and do assignment. What you're going to do is using your Chromebook, you're going to go to an address called Nova Bridge Builder, and when you hit enter, it's going to allow you to choose the Nova official website Build a Bridge link. That's going to take you to the exact page that you need. When you get there, there's going to be 4 actual pages that you can move through. You want to make sure you're on page 1 to start. What the procedure is going to tell you to do is read page 1. The first couple paragraphs are in green, and with the attached answer sheet I'm going to put, I just want to know what the goal is of the entire challenge, and you'll be able to find that in the first 2 green paragraphs. When you're done with that, you're going to go back to page 1, and you're going to survey the 4 sites that they're going to ask you to eventually prepare a bridge for. That's on page 2. All right? I'm going to ask you to put the distance and location for each of those sites. So make sure you put the specific distance and where the location is of each of the 4 sites that are on page 2. Then you'll go back to page 1 and you'll read a little bit about do your homework. When you go to that section, it's on page 3. When you get to page 3, you're going to have different characteristics and features of all the different styles of bridges: beam, arch, and suspension. You're going to analyze each of those, and then you're going to make a sketch similar to what you did yesterday of each of the 3 styles. When you're done with that, question 4 asks you to read the first couple paragraphs of each style of bridge, and in those first paragraph or 2, they're going to give you some interesting details that you could tell to somebody for them to understand why that bridge is pretty cool, all right, or the purpose of that bridge. So again, you'll find the information, the unique characteristics and features of each bridge in the first paragraph or 2. And I just want you to jot down a couple of them on the answer sheet that's provided. Then it allows you to play a game. I'm not sure the game will work. It should on your Chromebook. You might have to install the Flash Player, so you might see a little puzzle piece that you'll click on, and you can allow Flash Player to work. If it does, it's going to give you those 4 sites from question 2, and you're going to just drag the style of bridge that you think best fits that site. If that doesn't work for some reason, then don't worry about it. So all I want you to do, I'm giving you Wednesday and Thursday to do this assignment. Before Friday, we do a couple of little projects, pretty simple ones. And then Friday, I'm going to try something new using Google Meets. So I have some office hours at 11 o'clock for grade 7. So if you want to have a little face-to-face meeting, I've been missing a lot of you guys, so it'd be nice to see your faces. You can go to Google Calendar, and there'll be a link for you to click on prior to 11 o'clock. And once I join the meeting, all of us should be together and able to talk about any issues or just chat a little bit. So I will attach everything on Google Classroom. Take your time. You have 2 days to do it. And again, 1 step at a time, read and do. Have a great day. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, and entertaining yourselves.